Making their debut at home for Hearts of Oak. So it's a new team compared with last season. It's a new group, new team, new starting team. And then again, there were some changes again today. And again, that's a new team. So but I have to say that all the players, whoever's in the team or in the squad, or not in the squad, are all working very, very hard and thinking about their jobs and trying to improve as football players. And that's all you can ask. That's all you can ask. And then you just see where it goes from there.
Yeah, Coach, I think you've been lucky to go away with the film, looking at the game, how it went. And then my second question, you've been in charge for the 2 matches, and in both matches you drew with them. What do you think is lacking with the Hearts of Oak team, you being in charge as a coach?
Well, I think I wouldn't agree with you with your first point. I think that we were still going at the game towards the end. I would have to look at our goal that was disallowed to see if it was a proper decision by the official or not. I don't know. I'll have to look at it again. It was a wonderful finish by Alex. So it's just unfortunate. But again, we're pressing towards the end to get a goal. We had a few other chances towards the end. We've had chances in the first half. So I'm not necessarily agreeing with you, but at the same time, we've also made progress, because last week and the week before we haven't scored a goal. And this week we've had the ball in the net once, perhaps twice. So that's progress. And we're playing away from home, so yeah. Okay.
Coach, please, would you say your team is well conditioned? I am asking this question because in the second half, a large period of the second half, it was so conspicuous that some of your players, fatigue has catch up with some of your players. Would you say your team is well conditioned? If not, do you think that your inability to join the team in the early stages and prepare them for the preseason is the cause?
Well, when you're talking about physical fitness and improvements in fitness, there is no in physical fitness, my friend. There is no ceiling. There is no ceiling. So everyone can always improve in those capacities. Okay, and that's not a criticism of my players. You look at both teams, all the players in any league in the world can improve somewhere in terms of the physical aspects. But I would say that I'd put the question back to you. You say that we were struggling towards the end of the second half.
Yeah.
Which team? When I'm the right. Okay. So who was pushing at the end of the second half?
I said large period of the second half.
Well,
between the 60th to 80th minute, you were struggling.
No, I don't agree. But I think we're looking to get them on the break, and I don't agree. Don't agree. Okay, last question, and I'm done. Coach.
Coach, looking at your team, I mean the playing body. Looking at the departments, from goalkeeping department, defense department, midfield department, attacking department. 2 matches for you. So far, you want to go. Do you foresee you have a certain problem in a certain department?
Do I foresee what?
You have a problem with one of the departments.
No. Next question.
Coach, last one.
No.